Hi, welcome to Winners 10 YouTube channel. This video is about how to enter boot menu in Lenovo laptop or how to enter into BIOS mode in Lenovo laptop. So the button which is used to enter into BIOS mode is F2 button in most of the Lenovo laptops. So first of all, press start button and click on F2 button multiple times to enter into BIOS mode. We have to just press F2 button and no need to uh, press and hold Fn button. So if you see here, now my laptop is in BIOS mode. So if I want to boot my laptop using USB or DVD drive, then change the boot mode here to legacy support and boot priority as legacy first. And now to change the settings, press F10 button, select S and press enter button. Now my laptop will be started using DVD bootable disk. Here the bootable disk will give you an option to choose whether you want to upgrade your Windows or do a clean installation. So if you want to do a clean installation, then on the pop-up window just click on no, or if you want to do an upgrade to latest Windows version, then choose yes and click enter. Here you can see the pop-up window asking to choose whether you have to perform a clean installation or do the upgrade. So here, if you want to do a clean installation, choose no and enter. Here select the language of your preference, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method, whether it is English or any other language, and then click on next. Now click on install now to do a clean installation. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, kindly click on like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.